wonderful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you are new as well, don't forget to enter my giveaway linked down below to win yourself some goodies. And today we're going to be unboxing the Huda Beauty first ever mystery bag. Let's just get straight into it. So as a 2-day exclusive for 48 hours only, Huda Beauty released her first ever mystery bag. You can get it in a small bundle and you can get it in the large bundle. So I got the small one. It cost me, ooh, my little pen. It cost me £33 and then it cost sales tax on top of it. It comes straight from Dubai. So that was £6.60. So in total it came to £39.60 for a 5-piece mystery bag. Even though it did come from Dubai, I got free shipping. You didn't have to pay for shipping with it, and there was no kind of import tax or anything like that, any extra charges when it came to the UK. So I just thought I'd let you know that one because I was worried about that. And I thought I'm still getting a bargain even if I do pay some taxes at the end, but it was an extra bonus. I didn't have to pay shipping and I didn't have to pay any customs as well. So this is what it came in. So when you opened it up, it had the cutest bubble wrap. I don't know if I kept it actually. Yeah, I did, because it was just so cute. So it has the cutest bubble wrap. Like the bubble wrap has little love hearts on it, which I just think is adorable. I'm probably going to keep this little bubble wrap bag for quite a while. I don't know why, but I just love it so much, so I will keep it. So it come in a Huda Beauty little tote bag. So the tote bag just looked like this. So here is the catch. And to be honest with you, it did say this on the website, so they weren't trying to trick you. It was very clear on the website. It was a 5-piece bundle, the small one. However, one of the items is the bag. So it's actually a 4-piece makeup bundle, because one of the items is obviously the bag. So I just thought I'd put that out there because in case they do this in the future, then at least we know what's happening. But when you read it, it was very clear on the pictures and it was very clear in the description that one of the items was going to be a bag. So at least we weren't kind of tricked in a way, if that makes sense. They were clear from the beginning. So obviously it come in this little bag like this. So the first one and kind of one of the bigger, more expensive parts of the bundle is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. So this is the 3-dimensional highlighter palette, melted cream and powder. So when you open it, this is what the palette looks like. It comes with like a little, I don't know, a little, whatever this is, inside as well. So obviously it has the 4 different shades in it. It is more so, I would say, for a darker complexion than what I would typically use and reach for. But obviously this had to be, it's a mystery bundle. It had to be suitable for everybody. It can't just be for us pretty light-skinned people because like how is that fair either? So absolutely stunning, but I think what I might do is I might sell that and earn a little bit of money back because I did obviously buy all this out of my own money. So I might sell that and earn a little bit of money back off it because I probably won't really use it. So the palette, it was typical that you kind of got a highlighter palette, an eyeshadow palette, and then 2 lip products in the smaller bundle from the videos that I've watched and stuff. So for mine, I got the Huda Beauty, obviously, Ruby Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I was so excited to get this because this is one that I, again, don't have. I'm so happy that I got this one because the colour range is so nice. I love the fact that it's got 4 mattes that are very, very kind of usable in one full look as well. Like you could do a couple of looks with this palette, but also has 5 different shimmers that you could easily play about with. And their shimmers are unbelievable. As you can probably tell from my eyes today, I've actually got 2 shimmers on from the Topaz palette, and it looks beautiful. This whole look is with one palette, and I think this one is going to be the exact same. You can do quite a few looks with it, which is so exciting. So the other 2 parts of the bundle, which I'm so excited about, are lip products. So we have one of the liquid mattes, full size. All the products were full size in this, by the way. It did say that on the website, which is another thing that kind of drew me towards it. And the other one is a demi matte. So we'll start with the matte one first. So this is the Long Lasting and Comfort matte liquid lipstick, and I love the fact that this is actually in a wearable shade. Oh, that's not going to focus. It's in the shade Trendsetter, and I love that it's a colour that I would actually wear, and it would actually go really, really nicely with the other lip product that's in here as well. So the other one is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Haven't tried their formula of this. This one's in the shade Dazzler. And I think this will make a beautiful lipstick for kind of like in the like middle of your lips, like what I've done today. So it's a little bit dark on the outside and then a little bit lighter in the middle. I think they will go perfectly together. And I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted to get the bigger bundle. I think it would have come to like £70 or something crazy like that, and I thought I've got enough makeup as it is. I'll just go for the smaller one. But I know in the bigger one you got two of the mini eyeshadow palettes. You got one of her big eyeshadow palettes in it as well, and then you also got a couple of lip products. However, the lip products were kind of colours that I wouldn't typically go for, and that was one of the things that really drew me to the palette. I was thinking, am I going to get, like, to the bundle, I was thinking, am I going to get some lip products? So I am really glad that I went for the small bundle. I would definitely get their mystery bundle again, obviously bearing in mind that one of the items does count as, like, obviously the tote bag is one of the items. Whether they do that in future and take on feedback that that's like not really a makeup product, like it's a tote bag or whatever. So yeah, they had been very, very clear at the beginning that you were going to get a bag and that was going to be counted as one of your items. But I'm still really happy with it. For £40, I've got a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, I've got a Huda Beauty highlighter palette, and I've got two full-size liquid lipsticks as well from her. So I just think for the price, like it's like paying £10 each for them. Unbelievable. Let me know what you think down below. Did you buy it? Did you get the bigger one? What were your thoughts? Would you buy her bundles again, or would you buy them in the future if she does them again? I would love to know down below. If you are new, by the way, I do upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so I'll hopefully see you in one of my other videos. I love you very much, and I shall see you then. Bye guys.